Books module. eClipseReader Quick Orientation Reverb B1. eClipseReader Help F1. Hotkey List Alt plus F1. Quick Orientation Control plus Shift plus F1. Opening Daisy Book. Please wait. Open Table of Contents module. Control plus T. Table of Contents. Table of Contents.
Welcome to eClipseReader. As you will see once you start working with it, eClipseReader is a powerful program with many advanced features and convenient hotkeys. The help system, which you can access at any time by pressing F1, explains all the features, and the hotkey list, Shift F1, presents the comprehensive list of keyboard shortcuts. To get you started, however, this quick orientation will introduce you in just 5 minutes to the hotkey commands for opening, playing, and navigating books. All of these operations can also be performed through the menus, and many have toolbar buttons as well. To browse the menus, press the Alt key and then use the arrow keys to scroll through the entries. Note that this orientation is a digital talking book, and as such, you can get around in it using the commands described below. Setup for blind users. Before we jump into the basic operation of eClipseReader, we recommend that blind users turn off the toolbars, which are designed chiefly for mouse operation. To do so, press Alt-T now. Note that whether the toolbars are hidden or showing is one of the preference settings that eClipseReader remembers and applies each time the program is launched. Basic operation. Loading a book from compact disc. To open a digital talking book from a compact disc, simply insert the CD while eClipseReader is running, or launch the program with a disc in the tray. By default, the program will automatically begin playing the book. eClipseReader also handles books from the hard drive or network. Please consult the help system for instructions on how to do so. Note that on Windows 98, eClipseReader locks the CD tray while a book on disk is open. This means that pressing the eject button on the disk drive will not open the tray. You can eject the disk through the program by pressing Ctrl-E, or you can unlock the tray by pressing Ctrl-F4. Playing a book. To play a book or to pause play, press the spacebar. The rewind and fast forward features work by jumping 10 seconds in the desired direction. To rewind, press F6 or Control spacebar. To fast forward, press F7 or Control Shift spacebar. Navigating a book. All digital talking books can be navigated by heading and page. Some are also mapped down to the level of paragraphs or some other unit of text, which we refer to broadly as text blocks. In addition, you can navigate among any bookmarks and notes that you've inserted. You can navigate by all these modes through the navigation and markers menus, as well as the navigation toolbar. eClipseReader provides 2 ways to navigate using the keyboard. Basic navigation, which is explained below, uses just the 4 arrow keys in combination with the Control key. In advanced navigation, all navigation functions have their own keyboard shortcuts, all of which are noted in the tooltips as well as the help system and the hotkey list. Basic navigation is a simple 2-step process. 1. Press Ctrl right arrow or Ctrl left arrow to select a navigation mode. The options are first level headings, all heading levels, page, text block, and marker. 2. Press Ctrl up arrow to move backward by the selected navigation mode, or press Ctrl down arrow to move forward. The other navigation function that is worth learning right off the bat is Go to Page. First, press F3 to open the Go to Page dialog box, then type the page number and press Enter. Note that like all hotkeys in eClipseReader, the keyboard shortcuts for basic navigation do not work if a menu or dialog box is open. Introduction to the user interface. The user interface has 3 interactive regions: the toolbars, command center, and menu bar. eClipseReader has 3 toolbars: one each for navigating books, adjusting audio settings, and working with markers. Only one can be opened at a time. The toolbar region consists of two control areas, the toolbar selector and the current toolbar. The command center is home to three tools or modules for opening books, navigating a book's table of contents, and moving among markers. Like the toolbars, only one module can be opened at a time, and the region consists of one control area for selecting a module and another for the active module. Here are a few simple keys that will get you around until you learn the shortcuts that take you directly to specific control areas. To cycle through the control areas, press Tab or Shift Tab. To get around within a control area, use the arrow keys. To activate the current entry or button, press Enter. This concludes the quick orientation.